Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete the Moodle course. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already downloaded the Moodle app. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, enter the URL of the Moodle site of your school. Once you enter the URL, you will see a list of sites. Choose the correct one and tap on it. Now you will be prompted to the login page of the Moodle site of your school. In order to delete the Moodle course, you need to be signed in as a manager. You need to be an administrator of this Moodle site. So enter your username and your password and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this dashboard. Here you can see the 3 lines icon at the top left corner. Tap on it. Now choose site administration option. Now here in this page, you can see the more option. Tap on it. Now go to courses. Now you need to select manage courses and categories option. You will see the list of courses over here. Now select the course that you want to delete. And in each section, there is a settings icon. Tap on the settings icon. And here you will find the delete option. If you want to delete this course, you can tap on this delete option. Again, select delete. And now the course is deleted. So that's how you can delete Moodle course. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.